Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge multiple columns in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I merge multiple columns in these documents. At first you have to insert a table in this document. Go to insert menu and click table option. Now draw your table. Now select this table to change this border white. Now I change 1 pt to 2.25 pt. Now press outside on these borders. Now you can see here are my table. Now I merge multiple columns in these tables. Select a cell, then drag on your mouse to select multiple columns. Now you can see I select 4 columns. Now I merge this multiple 4 columns in Google Docs. Go to format menu. Now you can see here are table option. Just press it and you can see here are merge cells option. Just press merge cells option. Now you can see I merge multiple columns in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.